Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to initialize configure on the Checkpoint firewall. So let's start and install on the system for the Checkpoint R80.10. So in this scenario, we will configure interface E1 as WAN internal and interface E1 for internal LAN. And you can see the IP address we will configure on this firewall. For the LAN, we will use the subnet IP 100.100.100.0/24. Okay, now we can see the checkpoint in loading is starting and installation. So maybe we need to wait for a while. Okay, this video will show you how to configure security with the management server in the same appliance, and we no need to configure another management server. So we will configure on the security gateway in the same, and we call a standalone. Okay, do you wish to proceed? Okay, choose the language. Okay, you can customize or just use default and import the password for admin account. Okay, and after that we will configure the network card, and the first we need to configure management or managing the system, and I use either one. For the internal LAN E1 Ethernet 1. For the management system and management port, okay, I use IP 100.100.100, and the gateway is 100.100.1. Okay, I use it to one continue. Okay, and just wait for a while. For this step, in the real it may be need around half hour to 1 hour to complete this one for first initialize configuration. Okay, so in this video I will cut some time. Okay, checkpoint software blade, and it will be automatically reboot, and we also need to manually reboot checkpoint also. Okay, so wait the thing for the checkpoint reboot, and after that you will see the IP. We can ping the reachable to the internal LAN E1 from Windows 10 in the, you can see in the scenario. Okay, so now we can ping reachable. Okay, in the next video we show you how to configure and initialize such as IP routing on the web. Thank you for watching my video.